Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to yet another vlog of Electropixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this Samsung 32-inch LED TV. With the fault sound okay, no picture fault. See friends, here the complaint is with backlight. While checking with the LED checker you can watch the results. One of the LED backlight strip is causing this issue anyway. To avoid future repetitions in same fault, it's always recommended to replace the entire backlights with new one. Finally, see friends, now we fixed the backlights. Now let's reconnect the panel, diffuser, sheets, panel frame, everything back to the TV. See friends, now work is done. Now let's reconnect all sockets and check the picture. See friends, now picture comes and the TV started working back to normal. So that's it. Hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.